We looked at those couple Databricks advanced analytics functions and just showing those in action. So for instance, let's say I'm looking at this chart and I've got, here's our top 10 customers, right? I can see that Best Buy is the biggest, drop or variance to prior year. Maybe I want to drill down on Best Buy. Now we actually told this chart to look at what's the product groups, right? Or what's the brands, or so then we drill down into say one specific product group. I can keep drilling down to maybe the product itself or the the SKUs to the orders and whatever, or we can drill down and drill through the sales order details. Okay, so now this is coming back, and if you think about, this is an AI session, but just from an ad hoc or dashboards visualization type capability, the grain of data that's in these models is the most detailed grain. All of those inquiry screens in JD Edwards is what's loaded into these models, which means you can analyze the data down to that most detailed grain. You can aggregate it up, and then you can drill all the way down to the details like we've done here. Now notice we've got these order numbers. Well, I could even pick on one of these order numbers and I can drill through to the sales order narrative, because this is where we said, okay, let's return the results where it's actually taking a variety of fields, and we've actually said, okay, can you put that into a description? I didn't have to drill through to this. I could have had that down at that prior tab, but I think this kind of gives you that sense of, okay, the sales order line, this specific SKU shows a quantity of this and extended. So and it'll kind of, based on what's in fields and not in other fields, kind of change. It's not just, rinse and repeat the exact same verbiage for every single row.